Guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? So I have just blow dried my hair with the limited edition supersonic hairdryer. I was doing a review on this one, which is actually my mum's, and she lent it to me, and then she kindly purchased this one for me and sent it in the post yesterday. So I didn't know I was getting this, and I've done an unboxing for you to see what you get inside. And if you want to see what my thoughts and feelings are on both of these and what the slight differences that you can get in them, then keep on watching. So this one being the limited edition, it comes with the brush, the actual hairdryer itself, and a comb, and I just love the colour. And then this one is the original that came out, and it comes with the smoothing nozzle, the styling concentrator, and the diffuser. So this one here on Dyson's website is £299.99, and it is just the nickel, so it's the silver nickel all the way through. And this one here, the whole thing is pink, and then the inner section here is silver. This one you can't get on Dyson's actual website at the moment, which is shocking, but it is limited edition. You can get this from QVC, and again it is £299.95. So yeah, wow. I haven't unboxed this one yet, so I don't actually know like what's inside. So I'll show you what's inside the standard one. So it comes with the diffuser, it comes with the large and the smaller. The actual machine itself, and we've got a little heat-proof mat, and it also comes with a little welcome booklet, and that just tells you all the different bits and bobs inside and what they do. Oh, I'm so excited! Oh, there's two different packages. Yeah. So it's come like this, then like that. Oh, it's so pretty! Oh, I love that. So this is the brush. I just love the colour. Let's open it. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's beautiful. So there we have it. Again, you have the diffuser, you have the two different nozzles there, you have the machine itself, you have a little handy book to tell you what to do with it all. Oh, I just think that colour is amazing. So, so pretty. The thing that I really like about this is the attachments. Did you see that? It's magnetic. It's little touches like that that I really like. Right, okay, so enough of me talking. I'm going to now get on and dry my hair, and then I will come back and let you know what I think. So guys, I don't know if I've mentioned this on my channel before, but I do suffer with fibromyalgia. Now, I don't know if you're familiar with the condition, but it means that you're in pain quite a lot of the time. Joints can hurt, muscles hurt. So I have literally got about, what, 3/4 of the way through my hair without having to stop. So on a normal hairdryer, I wouldn't get anywhere near this far without having to stop. And it's because this hairdryer is lighter than a normal one and quicker than a normal hairdryer. So for people like me that suffer, so it hurts to do things like this, a Dyson hairdryer that is quicker and lighter weight and doesn't damage your hair is a godsend. It really, really is. So what I need to do now is just have a break. I need to relax my muscles, and once I am feeling better, I'm going to go and take some more pain medication, and once I'm feeling better, I'm going to try and come back and finish the rest of my hair. But I just thought I would explain to you why it is the case that I'm taking a break. Okay, I'm back. I've had a little bit of a rest. My muscles are hurting quite a bit still, but I do want to get this tutorial finished for you guys. So I am going to crack on and get as much done as I can, and then I'm going to come back, sit down with a cup of coffee and give you my thoughts and feelings. Right, okay, I think I'm about dry now. Do you know what? My hair feels so soft. It really, really does. And I haven't changed my shampoo or my conditioner. I haven't put any fancy things in my hair. This is literally a shampoo, a condition and a blow dry. That is it. And it just feels so, so soft. So amazing. When I first heard that Dyson were doing hair dryers, and I heard that they were £300 to £400, I could not believe it. I thought, that is ridiculous. Who is going to pay that for a hairdryer? Well, I'm eating my words now, because me, I would pay that for this hairdryer. Obviously, I didn't pay for this one. My mum, bless her heart, has gifted me this one for my birthday. But I love it. I love it, and I would recommend to anybody that is looking for a new hairdryer, wants to improve the condition of their hair, to seriously look at checking one of these out. Okay, so with the limited edition set, it does come with the barrel curl. So this is made from cork, and it's just, the way it's designed is so that it traps the air inside, so it will actually dry your hair quicker to use this. It's very lightweight, like I say, because it is made of cork. It has got tiny little ridges on the actual the gripping part, which actually helps you grip. It feels comfortable to the hand, so that comes in the set. You also get the comb, which is a wide tooth comb. This is great to use on your hair when it's wet to detangle. I think if you was to buy that on its own, it's about £30 just on its own, so that comes in with the set as well. There's a few things that they've done differently, so I don't know if you can see that very well, but these are both the bigger nozzles. So this one here, as you can see, it's flatter and it's wider. Now the reason they've done that is so that when you are using the barrel brush, it takes up a lot of the bristles, so it means that you're using less effort and you can get more done in one stroke than you would normally. So they have widened this slightly. They have also, on the limited edition set, double lined all of the attachments, which means they retain the heat more. So again, you're going to be quicker. It's going to be quicker at drying your hair. So for around the same price, they're both just under 300. If you could get your hands on the limited edition, and guys, it is limited edition, Dyson will not be keeping this one around. If you can get your hands on the fuchsia one, do that. It is just a slight upgrade to the original, and like I say, it does come with the brush and with the comb, so you are getting more for your money. So if you can get your hands on the fuchsia, go for that one. Right guys, I think that was everything that I wanted to cover on this review. Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching to the end. If you haven't already done so, just hit that subscribe button down below for me. Just helps my channel out a lot, and it does really mean the world to me. So thank you so much for sticking with me, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah.